Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel and this is your last week's of April weekly love reading plus this is going to cover your love and career. So if you want to book a reading, ritual or counseling session with me, wait till the end. I'm going to start with your reading now. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. What is going to happen in the last week? We will start with your love life. You've got the Nine of Stars and the Devil card. You could be dealing with a Gemini or Cancer or Capricorn Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Gemini or Cancer or Capricorn Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. I do see either you have already broken up with someone or you're going to break up with someone in the last week of April. Every time if you meet this person, you feel drained, you feel low, or they make fun of you, or they don't say the best things to you, or they make you feel like shit. This person is toxic for you because you have got the devil card. The devil card is the negative card which is describing this person you're dealing with. Your partner currently is a, is somebody who's making you feel bad about yourself. You're not feeling loved and you're feeling drained. If that is the case, please end the relationship with them because this person will never change. They are energy suckers, vampires who will constantly suck your energy. And that is why if you feel drained around them, it is why. And if this is not your own partner or spouse, but anybody else in your life, in your personal life, it can be your own family, parents, siblings, it can be your own friends, neighbors, or relatives as well. If you are associating with someone and they are making you feel drained, or something bad starts happening after you meet them, please trust that energy. That energy is telling you that this person doesn't have your best intentions. They have evil eye on you and they do not want to see you grow. So whenever you are around them, they will suck your energy and they will thrive and you will go low in your life. Okay, you will be unhappy. You will never succeed. So please, if you spot any such person, any such vibes, please cut them off right now. Otherwise, this is going to hamper your own relationships, your own growth, your own success in your overall life. It can affect your health as well. I do see that some of you could already be, feeling uneasy or ill as well. Certainly, you're going through some sort of disease or illness and you're thinking, why is this happening to me? Let me describe more to you by moving on to your career. In your career, you've got the Eight of Stars, the Justice card, and the Three of Sun. Well, I do see that maybe you talked about your success, your goals with somebody. Now that somebody did not have your best intention, and that is why they gave evil eye to you. You have started falling sick, so much so that you're only spending time at your home. That opportunity that was supposed to come to you has been taken away now. It's not coming to you anymore. Maybe you lost a good job, maybe you lost a good opportunity or a good client or business as well. It's because of this. So guys, please Cancer, it's very important that you stop sharing your ideas, your goals, anything which is supposed to happen in the future with anyone until it has happened. And I will suggest you don't share it with anyone even if it has happened, because you don't know how many people are jealous of you. Okay, I get very jealous vibes from you that people are jealous of you. So I do see that this has made you that you will lose a very good opportunity and this will make you very, very unhappy, sick, and negative about life as well. Now, if you are feeling that way, then let me tell you that you have nothing to worry about and you have no revenge to take because Justice card has come into your reading, which means that whoever has done wrong to you will get their karma and you will even see them watching. You will even get to watch them going through hell. So if you're stuck at home, please get well soon and see what is happening to them. They will be getting their karma in the last week. And this has especially to do with your career more than your personal life, right? In the personal life, you have to cut the cord with that person. I do see you moving in a new direction. Something new is coming your way. No matter if you lost a very good client opportunity or customer and you thought that you will never make it through. Don't think like that because a new opportunity, a new direction, a new door will open for you in the last week of April. So if one door has closed or even 10 doors have closed, that one door is going to open for you, which will give you happiness, which will give you what you wanted. So don't worry, you have lost nothing. Everything is happening in the divine timing. Okay, karmically, that opportunity maybe was never meant to be yours, and a better opportunity is coming. So don't worry, there's nothing to worry. Just be aware that who is that toxic person in your life or people in your life and cut them out so that you can protect your energy, your future growth as well. Okay. So it is an important week for you. So if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you would like to book any kind of reading with me, if you have questions, you want to book a personal reading, if you want a counseling therapy session, or if you would like to book Oracle Love reading, especially if you are going through a no contact, we can channel your partner's energy. Or if you would like to book any ritual, you don't want to do a ritual, you want me to do a ritual on your behalf, I do that too. So for booking any session, any ritual or reading, you have to email me at the given email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, in my description box and my bio as well. Or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel as well, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram also, because I post all such details over there firsthand every day. So you will know the prices, you will know what discounts are going on, what services are new, like love packages, career packages. So there are a lot of varieties and prices which you can choose as per your budget. Okay. So go check it out, and thank you for watching my channel. My name is Astha Sharma and you were watching the Moksha Tarot. Bye bye.